Hello and welcome to another video. If you recall, in our first video we created a Gmail account, and today we're going to learn how to use Google Drive, which is included as a service with your Gmail account. So what Google Drive could be seen as is like an online flash drive, or a way to transfer, download, and move files through the internet, rather than having to carry them on a hard drive, a flash drive, or on a computer. So for example, let's say you're at the library or any publicly shared computer, and you're working on a Word document, for example. So here I have Hello World. You could have anything, could be a photo, picture, document, music, anything. For this example, we have this short sentence. Okay, so we have this document, and we started on it, and we're leaving, we're going somewhere else, and we want to take this file with us and be able to access it on any smartphone, laptop, computer, anything that's connected to the internet. So the way we can do that is at first by saving the file. So we're going to go to File, up top and top left. We're going to hit Save As. We're going to hit Browse. And then we could save it anywhere we want on the computer. So I'm going to save it in the Documents tab. So we're going to go to Documents. We'll keep it as Hello World. And then we'll hit Save. So now this file is saved on this laptop, but it's not saved on Google Drive or anywhere else. So since I want to access it somewhere else, I'm going to have to upload it to Google Drive. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to close this out. Now that it's saved, we're going to go on our preferred web browser, which is going to be Google Chrome. Once we have Google Chrome open, we'll have a page that looks like this. If you're at the Westland Library, it'll look something like this. So what we're going to do is go to the search bar up top and type in Google Drive, D-R-I-V-E, hit enter. And then the first option will be cloud storage for work and home. We're going to click on that. And then in the top right, it says Go to Drive. Click on that, and then I'll ask you to log in with your email and password that we created from the first episode. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, now that we're signed in, we're going to be greeted with a screen like this that says a place for all of your files, and then it advertises its other services. There's Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, which is similar to Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint, if you're familiar with these programs. So now we want to upload our document. So what we're going to go is go to the top left over here where it says New, and there's a plus. Click on that. We'll be greeted with these options in the menu. We have folder, file upload, and folder upload. We're only uploading a single file, so we're going to select file upload. We're going to go to documents where we saved it, and there's Hello World. You can double click on it or just click once and then hit open. Then it'll begin uploading the file. Now it says upload complete. We can double click on it, and there's our file right there, ready for us. We can print it out, we can download it, we can click the three arrows to see more actions, or we can share it and rename it and do other things. Okay, and I can show you if we were to upload like an image. Go to pictures, we have this image right here, double click. It works with photos, documents, videos, almost anything you can upload, and then you'll be able to access it from any device like that. Alright, if you have any questions, please let us know in the comments, and see you in the next one.